Oh, boy. We've been talking about all the security problems with Microsoft's new operating system, Windows 10, over on Komando.com since the release on July 29th. But one guy had a more embarrassing problem after he installed Windows 10. You see, the update automatically made his entire porn collection into a slideshow and used it as a screensaver. And to make matters worse, the whole malfunction was discovered by his wife, who was greeted by all these porno images in the morning, and she had no idea that he was doing such activities on the computer. It appears that the problem arose as a result of the images being saved to his My Pictures folder, and then the software, Windows 10, automatically built a slideshow out of all the pictures that he put in the My Pictures folder. So despite the nasty surprise, he says, I have no idea where this came from. I have no idea how to deactivate the feature. So you know what he did? He got rid of his computer, threw it into the trash. You may remember in the last year NFL season, all the coaches were holding these blue tablets, and there was the Microsoft Surface tablets. And then every once in a while, we'd make a joke about it here on the show because they wouldn't call it the Surface. They'd say my iPad-like device. Microsoft says that is not going to happen this year. As a matter of fact, coaches and players, they now have some really great features. Like, for example, I didn't know this just 3 years ago. The only way coaches and players could dissect plays was to print out photographs, load them into binders, and run out on the sidelines. Well, now with the new Surface Play, coaches and players they have access to videos of the plays that they just took place on the field, letting them adjust their strategies. So a quarterback could see why the opposing defense was able to intercept the ball just a few seconds after the head coach yells at him, reams him out. The referees will make decisions about whether to uphold or overturn calls based on instant replay video that they see on a Surface tablet. And speaking of, the players, they're going to be wearing chips in their jerseys this year. And this is pretty amazing. So as you're watching the game, is that you're actually going to be able to see the player's heart rate, how fast they're running. You see an animated diagram of where they just went all over the field. If you're a fantasy player, you're going to receive notifications on your Xbox when your players score a touchdown, or maybe more likely when your star player leaves the game in an injury. So, if you were wondering about technology in football, this year more than ever, it's really going to be something else.